A very cheerful morning, happy morning to my dear students. How are you? Mast. And are you taking care of your pet animals? Yes, ma'am, you are talking of our next chapter, no? Yes, animals around us. So in last part, we have gone with the reading practice, that was part 2, and we will continue the reading practice of same chapter, animals around us, reading practice. Okay, so are my dear students ready for the reading practice? Let's start, my dear students. Okay, so now we move on to another topic, that is water animals. Okay, in last part we have gone with land animals, and now we are going with water animals. Some, S-O-M-E, it's called some. S-O-M-E, some animals like fishes. Okay, have you seen? आपने देखा है fish को? Have you seen fishes? Octopuses and whales. Okay, let's write down the spelling of fish. F-I-S-H, it's called fish. Octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S-E-S, it's called octopus. And whale, W-H-A-L-E-S, it's called whales. Some animals like fishes, octopus and whales live in water. कहाँ पे रहते हैं? वाटर में. कहाँ पे? वाटर पे, वाटर के अंदर. They are called water animals. So they are called water animals. Fish, a fish, whales and octopus, these are called water animals. Clear? Some animals like frogs, tortoises, ducks and crocodiles live both on land and in water. Some animals like F-R-O-G-S, it's called frogs. Tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E-S, it's called tortoise. Okay. Ducks, D-U-C-K-S, ducks and crocodiles, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E-S, it's called crocodiles, live both on land and in water. They live on land and in water. I repeat, some animals like frogs, tortoises, ducks and crocodiles live both on land and in water. Clear? Yes, as you can see in the image, this is frog and this is crocodile. Animals that live both on land and in water. See the image. Clear? Yes. So we have gone with water animals. Today we have done the reading of water animals, and you will be writing all these new words in your notebook, which we have underlined and written. Okay, we have gone with the reading practice of lesson number 9. ठीक है, and I hope that you have followed the reading as well as the pronunciation, and if any doubt, so ma'am is there for you. ठीक है, so do take care of yourself. God bless you all.